Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account on your PC or your laptop, right? So you can see that I'm right now into my Facebook account, and basically the first thing you have to do, on the top right side corner, you can see your profile icon. So just click on your account, then just go to the setting and privacy. Here now select the first option, that is called settings, and it will redirect to a new page. After that, you have to, on the left side, you can see so many options. So just click on the privacy, then you have to select on your Facebook information, right? And here in the bottom you will see a deactivation and deletion, right? So basically just click on the view, and after that it will load, and here you will get the option whether you want to delete your account, then select the second option, and if you want to deactivate, then just click on the first option. Click on continue to account deactivation, then after that you have to continue, and here you have to select a reason that why you are deactivate your account. If you want to transfer your data, you can do it from here. So I will select this reason, right? Okay, and basically here you can just explain whatever. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. After that you have to click on deactivate, and basically you have to click on deactivate right now. So here it will take a very few seconds and your account will get deactivated, and this is it. So you can see that if you want to reactivate your account, you have to just log in using your email address and your password, and that's it, and you will be able to use the Facebook, right? So this is easy guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.